with another YouTube video. So today we are discussing the components of the fiber optic cable, and I am reading from Ccna 200-300 301, and it's going to be Window Odom. And I am going to be reading in Chapter 2, and it's the Fundamentals of Ethernet LANs. So I will begin to read. Fiber cabling transmission concepts. Fiber optic cable uses glass as the medium through which light passes, varying that light over time to encode zeros and ones. It might seem strange at first to use glass, given that most of us think of glass in windows. Window glass is hard, unbending, and if you hit or bend it enough, the glass will probably shatter. All bad characteristics for cabling material. Instead, fiber optic cable uses fiberglass, which allows a manufacturer to spin a long, thin string, also known as a fiber, of flexible glass. A fiber optic cable holds the fiber in the middle of the cable, allowing the light to pass through the glass, which is very important attribute for the purposes of sending data. Although sending data through a glass fiber fiber works well, the glass fiber by itself needs some help. The glass could break, so the glass fiber needs some protection and strengthening. In figure 215, which is what you see on the board, on the TV, on the screen, shows a cutout with the components of a fiber cable for perspective. The three outer layers of the cable protects the interior of the cable and makes the cables easier to install and manage, while the inner cladding and core work together to create easier to install and manage, while the inner cladding and core work together to create the environment to allow transmission of light over the cable. A light source called the optical transmitter shines a light into the core. Light can pass through the core, however, light reflects off the cladding back into the core. And we will discuss tomorrow of how the light passes through the cladding and the core. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. And thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you tomorrow.